Big air, a night ski and a circus. We're on our skis and hitting the slopes right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to the second episode in our Chongli Skiing Series. I'm here with Jack. Jack, what are we doing today?
Today we're at Fulong Ski Resort. It's a very big one comparing to yesterday. 25 slopes supposedly. We're going to have a lot to ski.
A lot, and it's a beautiful day as it starts. We're expecting some snow later. Time to get going, Jack.
Let's move.
Over the last 10 years, there have been an impressive growth of ski resorts around China, which now provide a real alternative to other ski destinations in Asia. In this series, we review 5 resorts in the Chongli district, just north of Beijing. In the last episode, we'll show you how to get there, navigate the hotels, rent equipment, and get the best deals.
You're looking at about 24,000.
For full transparency, we were given free ski passes for this series, but were not paid to promote it. The review is an honest opinion from 2 seasoned intermediate skiers. In the second episode, we are at Fulong Ski Resort. So from just walking into this place, we can see immediately a very different setup. This is much bigger infrastructure, lots and lots of places to eat, and I can see behind me here the ski slopes just go for as far as the eye can see. So it's going to be a very different day to the first episode. Fulong has 25 kilometres of ski runs and is built on the edge of Chongli town, so there are lots of options for things to do, places to eat and accommodations. As we found in all resorts, the ski pass and rental are very well organised, and we were set up in just minutes, but then needed a locker. So something to bear in mind at these ski lockers, they all have different companies. If you're going from one resort to another, you need to download the mini app. If you're not a Chinese speaker, it's definitely worth grabbing someone, ask them to help you with it. Jack's doing it for me right now. It's going to be around 25 yuan for the day to get a locker where we can put our shoes. Locker sorted, we step outside and join a short line to get the chairlift up to the secondary peak. This resort has plenty of choices for blue and black runs, but only a few green, a great choice for intermediate skiers and snowboarders. Be warned, if you take any of the 3 cable cars that go up to the peaks, there is no green runs down.
The B10.
B10? We want to go down to the other lift if possible.
Yeah, it's all blue, you see?
But the peaks are wide, and we found in every resort that crowds were not an issue, so even a beginner should be able to tackle the blue slopes by the end of a week's skiing.
So we've just done the first side of the mountain, the easy run. Now we're going to go up a notch and try on the other side, and that means we're going to be able to pick up a lift which is going to take us up to the very top up there.
If you prefer to stay close to the resort, there are 3 hotels that offer ski in and ski out services, starting with the high-priced Holiday Inn, the giant Fanwoods Hotel where we stayed, and the Hot Springs Hotel. All offer different package deals. We saw an offer for 5,000 RMB for a 5-day ski pass for 2 people, hotel and breakfast, though prices go up at the weekends and on public holidays. You need to check the resort's WeChat mini app to see the deals on offer. We will link it below. Meanwhile, back on the slopes,
Jack is breaking the law here. He's breaking the fence down to go through.
Look at the helicopters.
The helicopter's coming to get him.
What happened there? Are you breaking the fence or what?
we found navigating the resort a little hard at first because of its size, but at the end of the day we'd got our bearings. The fences are in place to shield off one of the best attractions of the resort, Asia's biggest snow park, so they claim, with lots of jumps and rails for all levels.
Now let me give you a quick roundup of where we're at. So that is the very top. There's 2 different cable cars that take you to the top, and from there you can go down on this side of the mountain and also on this side. Let me just show you around here. And then you can also go down the middle. There are many different routes to choose from. lots of variety here. A lot of fun, some fun stuff as well with jumps and all sorts of other things. Right, I'm going to go find Jack.
For lunch, the resort has plenty of options close to the ski runs, as well as coffee huts around the slopes. Within the hotels, there are supermarkets and lots of restaurants too, offering a wide range of food. If you fancy the night skiing, there are deals with food and ski paths together. After lunch, it was time to ramp up the difficulty.
Well, we have two ways basically. We go over this way or we go down this way. Both are black runs. Jack doesn't like black runs. This is going to be fun.
Yeah, we're making history. 46-degree slope. Here we go.
Let's see if Jack can get there.
We were told that Fulong has a lot more snowboarders than skiers, and that it was very much the place for young people to come. So Jack and I are looking a little out of place, dress-wise as well.
It's a handful, man.
Well, it's Sunday and today we thought was going to be the most busy. This is a very popular resort, particularly with young people. There are a lot of people here, but the resort has got so much facilities. Once they're spread out, we found there's no problem at all. In fact, we're on one of the most popular lifts here, one that takes us right to the very top. You can see here, Jack is in the... There was nobody down there, not one person. So no queues at all. We haven't had any problem with queuing so far yesterday at the first episode or today. So, you know, it's good. As with all the resorts, Fulong does have beginner slopes and lessons available. We found one school offering lessons in English, which we will link to below. As the day draws to a close, it's time to take a break at the top of the mountain and reflect on the experience so far.
I don't understand why people don't know about this skiing. I mean, the experience that we've had so far, it's matched anything that I have had. In fact, beaten probably most of the places that I've tried in Asia, and yet nobody talks about it. Well, it's just gone 4 o'clock and we're going to be calling it a day. It's going to be our last run. We're up at the top, one more downhill. Jack's over there. Then we're going to go for a night ski. So we'll go and check in the hotel. This is a hotel you can ski into, put the skis away, come back out at night before a bit of nightlife that we're going to sample here in the town. How you feeling, Jack?
And here is where I made a fatal error of judgment.
You say we go for the easy route?
It looks fun. Come on, let's try.
Bloody hell. Let's go. Don't think I can film you though.
On the back of an ambulance on the way to the hospital. I've dislocated my shoulder and I'm in excruciating pain. Didn't see a jump coming. Oh jeez. I left Jack to finish the episode.
While I head off to review the local medical services, all part of the drone and phone service, Jack takes a short rest and then heads out for a night ski.
So I'll give you an idea of how many people are doing the night session. So we'll look at that. We're all waiting for the cable car for the night. It's quite busy.
Meanwhile, I've arrived in the Chongli hospital and had 2 scans of my shoulder and now await a doctor to help me reset the dislocation.
Well, quick update. They tried to put my shoulder back without success. Extremely painful. So now I'm waiting for the doctor to come, see if he can do something else. I don't know what he's going to do, but he said he's going to put it back. But let's see. Once I get this shoulder back, hopefully I'll be back feeling okay again.
So this is gonna be my last ride of the day. You can see here at lift 2, not many people, which is very nice. Yeah, you don't have to queue for a long time like lift 1. But I'm finishing this ride. That's gonna be my day.
While I suffer alone in the hospital, Jack takes on the tough task of going to the circus. It's an impressive show of Chinese acrobatics, glamorous dance routines, and of course a red-nosed clown. This is just one of several après ski events offered in Chongli, some of which may be included with your ski package. As Jack enjoys the show, I was lucky enough to find 2 kind people to bring me back to the hotel. So I'm just back from the hospital, and very kindly these people helped me and got me back. And I've got to say, the whole way through the hospital process, in case you are worried, I found people who were willing to help me. My Chinese is not that great, and certainly in a hospital situation it's not very good at all, but thank you very much for helping me out and bringing me back. And also to all the medical staff who helped me. They were absolutely wonderful. So good to know if you get injured, you're in good hands. I was later told that this hospital has a lot of experience with this kind of injury. I later went to see a specialist in Hong Kong who confirmed the hospital had done a good job with their diagnosis and treatment.
Well, that's it for this episode. It didn't end quite the way I had planned, but I'm back and feeling okay. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to ski in the next 2 or 3 episodes, but I'm going to hand it over to Jack and I'm going to do the reporting behind. Just to say that the injury that I had was not the fault of the ski slope. It was me just being stupid, went too fast, last run of the day, hit a bump that I was not expecting and went over.
Speeding.
It was not a clever decision. How was it for you, Jack, today?
It was fantastic for me. I pushed a little bit to ski on the black slope, following you. But it's quite nice experience. The flat is flat.
This is a really fun place to go. It's great for young people, lots of things to do. Après ski, after skiing, some fun things to do on the slope, lots of jumps and rails and all sorts of things. If you're a snowboarder, this is definitely a place.
And the highlight is the night session. It's amazing at night.
And great at night as well. Okay, now if you're finding this for the first time, you're going to have all of our episodes from Chongli. They're going to be nicely catalogued on our website at droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm
getting
Jack.
cold. And this is Drone and Phone. I can't do that because I've got an arm in a sling.
So in Chinese series, like if you're injured your shoulder, for example, you need to have some animal shoulder for food. They will help you to recover very, very fast. That's why I took you to this restaurant. No other reason but for that.